You might want to take the cushion that's floating away up. It's a good job we kept the boats blown up, isn't it? Or sail away.
You filming it?
Yeah. Dottie is oblivious, by the way. You see that lightning?
Yeah. It's running out there.
Up.